So if Haryana is bracing for election, so is Jammu and Kashmir. Campaigning is in full swing. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will launch BJP's election campaign and release party's manifesto during the two-day visit to J&K that starts today. Amit Shah will also chair a meeting with party leaders and meet delegations of party workers later today. BJP heavyweights' visit to the Union Territory comes just days after Rahul Gandhi's rally also in J&K. Congress says it will restore statehood. BJP says it's already been the commitment to restore statehood. Regional parties asking for same as well. Let's listen in to the reactions that have come in, specifically as Amit Shah is set to arrive. What is the BJP's tayyari in Jammu?
डॉक्टर सिंह, मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि गृह मंत्री अमित शाह कल यहाँ पहुंच रहे हैं, उनके दौरे के बारे में हमें अधिक जानकारी दीजिए।
देखिए, मैनिफेस्टो रिलीज करेंगे और उसके बाद एक कार्यकर्ता सम्मेलन करेंगे।
कल ही होगा वो या अगले दिन?
अगले दिन होगा, ये
शनिवार को
बस अगले दिन होगा, क्योंकि कार्यक्रम है कल मैनिफेस्टो का है, अगले दिन कार्यक्रम है और बाकी जो है लोगों से मिलना, बैठकें करना, इस प्रकार के उनके कार्यक्रम रहेंगे।
तो कोई अहम बैठक भी होने जा रही है जम्मू कश्मीर बीजेपी नेताओं की उनके साथ?
हाँ, कार्यक्रम है, कोर इंटरनल बैठकें हैं, कोर ग्रुप की बैठक हो सकती है, इस प्रकार की है।
So I go across now to my colleague Sunil Ji Bhatt in Jammu. Sunil, good morning. So it's clearly temperature heating up politically in Jammu and Kashmir. Tell us about Home Minister Amit Shah's itinerary, what is expected, and importantly, while a lot of focus usually is on Kashmir, do you think BJP will also want that highlight on Jammu region?
Well, Pooja, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is going to land in Jammu later this afternoon, and then he's going to release the BJP's election manifesto for J&K Assembly polls. We have spoken to many BJP leaders here in Jammu, and they are saying that the party is going to talk about the interests of all communities, and it's going to, present the roadmap ahead for Jammu and Kashmir. And party leaders are exuding confidence that BJP is going to emerge as the single largest party after the elections. But Union Home Minister Amit Shah is landing here for a two-day visit. He will be also addressing a rally in Jammu tomorrow. And there are a lot of expectations, particularly from the people of Jammu, that something big may be announced as far as this election manifesto is concerned. So BJP is going to reveal its cards later in the day. But the main, fact is that that political temperature is rising in Jammu and Kashmir. Campaigning has intensified. Rahul Gandhi has already visited Jammu and Kashmir. He addressed two rallies, one in Jammu, another in Kashmir. But the visit of Amit Shah assumes significance because in the recent past, there have been incidents of infighting within the BJP over ticket allocation. And Amit Shah is going to take note of that. He is also going to pacify the leaders who are unhappy with the ticket allocation. So BJP is trying to set its own house in order and at the same time reach out to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Pooja,
and it's important because they would be banking on people of Jammu, but people of Jammu also have to be assured that their representatives of the BJP will put that voice across. All of that will be discussed at the meeting. Thank you very much, Sunil, for that. So there is Jammu region where Amit Shah, of course, will be landing. There will be rallies, meetings, discussions, and then there is the Kashmir Valley.